Hello, friends. On the request of my many viewers, I am sharing this wonderful treatment for the spondylitis and arms pain. This treatment will also work if there is any numbness in the hands and fingers, any pain in the elbow or wrist. This treatment will be of great help. For the shoulder pain, you take this joint, you have to take the index finger bone joint, not the joint which is connected to the palm, but try to go a little more down, and there you will see a bony structure. Just below that bone, you have to find the painful points in this area and cover this area in the form of L on both the sides, yin and yang. If you do the color therapy, it depends. One can apply red color if the problem is very acute or chronic, but this blue and red color will depend upon your body constitution. So for that you have to try either red or blue, will give you lot of relief. And if you do not want to apply color, you can just apply methi seeds on these points, which are very effective, and you can leave it overnight. This treatment is very effective. You can also apply star magnets on these points. That is also very effective. With this, you can apply methi seeds on the index finger first joint. You can make the whole ring with the methi seeds. This will really take care, because in the yang side, the large intestine, spinal cord and small intestine meridians are going, and we don't know which meridians is giving the problem in the hands, arms and shoulder. So this will take care of all the three from the back side, and the inside lungs, brain and heart, this will also be covered. So if the strain is coming even from the brain, this will be very effective treatment. So do try this treatment. With the treatment I have shared, one must definitely do the ring massage on all the fingers, and especially on the thumb. First joint to second joint is very important for cervical. So one should do massage with the ring on both the thumbs and all the fingers. This will really help to reduce the pain and give you more energy and improve the blood circulation in all the joints. So do share this treatment with people who are suffering from shoulder pain, arms and other issues. Friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Smile thanks. Life designer Taranpreet Kaur.